Hello everyone, hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about tarpanseas.com? If yes, then this video is for you, as we are going to share unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's begin with our video and check out the detail. This website is an online e-commerce portal where furniture and other products are available. The website claims that quality material is being offered to its customer. Their products are chairs, shelves, backpack chairs, tables, plastic chairs. But nowadays, as you all know, that there are many fraudulent activities done on online, so you must check out the deal so you may not get trapped in such activity. So let's check out the specification of tarpanseas.com. It is HTTP secured website. The delivery charges they cost for is about $11.99. It take 5 to 10 business days to ship the order. As far as for worldwide shipping, they need 15 to 20 days. Moreover, the website offers you 30 days return policy. Cancellation of order can be done before its shipping. They have mentioned their email address and contact detail. The payment method which they are accepting are PayPal and credit card. Let's check out the positive point of using tarpanseas.com. The interface of the website is clean and informative. A great range of products can be seen available. The company have also provided other information like address details, contact information, email address. Worldwide delivery of the product is also available. The negative point of using tarpanseas.com are tarpanseas obtain a very low score based on trust rank. The website obtain a very poor Alexa rank. Moreover, we also could not find the reviews about this site on any platform. No social media handles were found that were linked with tarpanseas.com. So here question may come in our mind as a customer, that is Tarpanseas legit, as it is very important and recommending that you must check out all the trust point of any website, because it is very hard to trust new website in the market. So we are sharing the details. Like as we discussed, it is newly formed website and cannot be considered as an old website, as its domain was created around about 2 months from now. It has a very low Alexa ranking. No social media presence could be found. No reviews or feedback can be obtained from the website that provided by any user or customer. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help that help you check out the quality of that product, and then we only know about the detail of product and the website. Like if the product is not good, they provide feedback to the company, so these feedbacks are very important for future customer. But unfortunately, when we check out for reviews for tarpanseas, we found nothing on the website or on any reviewing site. So in our conclusion, we can say that it is not a trusted website, as it lacks many points, like it has poor trust rank, it has not having any customer review, so we are not recommending you at all. Moreover, if you still want to buy anything from this store, we just recommend you to make a thorough research on your own behalf, then make a decision for the shopping from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.